One day, guys. One day I might be a good makeup guru. Hi guys, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be celebrating another day of Vlogmas where I'm going to be bringing to you my first holiday makeup tutorial. This is what it looks like. I'm so not accustomed to wearing such colorful makeup, guys. It's a little much for me to get used to. Also, what happened to this eye? There we go. I was squinting weirdly, so my eyeliner looked a little funky monkey. But yeah, so this is what the result looks like after doing makeup for 30 minutes, which is a very long time for me because normally I just throw on something and I'm done. But this time around, I had colors to work with and things to play with. So just keep watching this video if you want to see the tutorial. Also, before it starts, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can continue getting other updates on other videos that I'm going to be bringing to you for the month of December and for 2019. So let's get started. So the first thing that I did was use Milk Makeup's cooling water. It's a deep puffer that you use under your eyes. I actually got it in my Meet the Fam bundle. If you want to see that full video on the unboxing of my review, I will link it down below. So the next thing that I'm going to do is use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the original. This is something I purchased just for the first time, and I have to say it really does work wonders. So I'm just going to put it all over my eyes and a little bit higher and also a little bit lower than my eyelids, like my under eyes, I guess you could say, because of the fact that I'm going to be doing my makeup under there as well. I dropped it on the floor. You kidding me? It's okay, it's all good. It's all good in the hood. So the first color that I ended up using is Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow in the color Love Letter. This is kind of like a pinky red. I wanted this because I knew it was going to be very pigmented, since that's something that Anastasia Beverly Hills is really known for, and I wanted it to just kind of be a thicker red on my lids, since I knew that a red I was going to be topping it with was not going to be as thick. So after that, I ended up putting a little bit of All Star by Anastasia Beverly Hills on top of that, mainly because this was just a little bit more of a red, while the Love Letter was a little bit more pink, so it just added a little bit more redness to the color before I added the Ultimate Red, which is kind of the star of the top. This red is called Salaz and Grum. It's from my limited edition Alice Through the Looking Glass palette by Urban Decay. This is a really nice kind of shiny metallic red, and it's a lot more orange in color, while the two Anastasias are a little bit more purple. So it was nice to have kind of a brighter red that's really going to be nice and Christmassy. The next step was to actually go underneath to the bottom, and I ended up using the color Hatter, which is another one from the Urban Decay's Alice Through the Looking Glass palette. This is a very nice bright green. It's got a little bit of shimmer to it, and I was able to kind of have it really pop, especially by using an eyeliner brush. But yeah, what I really like about that green compared to the other greens I have is a lot more of my greens are kind of earthy tones, while this one was definitely brighter. And I'm really trying to go for a little bit of a brighter kind of style with this look, or attempt I should say. So the final eyeshadow color I ended up using was from my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. It's called Half Baked. It's a really nice golden shine, and I really wanted to use that on the inner corners of my eyes just to kind of tie the green and the red together. There was no really nice way to fade green and red because it'll just turn brown. So it's nice to have that kind of high-spirited kind of gold in between to kind of bring them together. And then after that, I ended up tightlining my eyes with an eyeliner pencil. And then I took my liquid liner and attempted to do some cat eyes. After that, I just simply put on some mascara. This year, I've really caught myself only doing 3 or 4 really colorful looks, this being probably the 4th. I know in the beginning of the year I did 2 Alice Through the Looking Glass looks, unless it was last year. So this is really kind of like only the 5th time I've done something colorful this year, so I'm still very new at it. So if y'all have any sort of feedback on how to improve this, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'm still new at this, but we never know. So that's all that I have for you guys today. I want to say thank you so much for watching this episode of Vlogmas. Feel free to like this video as well as comment down below. And like I said, please give me some feedback on this. Have you ever done some kind of Christmassy makeup look? Have you ever failed? The way I have? I mean, everybody does. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Anyways, also feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates on other videos that are to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!